Welcome back, my students. I'm Ellie at English Fun Zone, and today we're going to have some fun practicing vocabulary words on fruit. So let's get started. Now, don't forget to record yourself saying these words. Listen first, then say them. An apple, an apple. Apples, apples. A watermelon, a watermelon. Watermelons, watermelons. You can say watermelon, 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 or you can use a stop with a d sound. Listen, watermelon, watermelon. Let's try it again. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Now, some of you like that T sound, so let's practice that. Remember that when you're trying to speak in a normal speed, you might find it easier to say watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. But let's practice it with the T. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. A watermelon, a watermelon. Watermelons, watermelons. An orange, ja, an orange. Remember that when you say an, you can shorten it to say n and use that stop. An orange, an orange, an orange. If we're speaking slowly, we might say an orange, an orange. Let's practice. An orange, 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 an orange. Oranges, 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 oranges. A strawberry, a strawberry, a strawberry, a strawberry. Strawberries, 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 strawberries. A grape, a grape, a grape. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Air, ease, air, ease. Cherries, cherries. A cherry, a cherry, a cherry. Mango, mango, mango. A mango, a mango, a mango. Mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. Be careful. This one's a little difficult. Nectarine, nectarine. Nectarine. Ooh. Nectarine, 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 nectarine. I just realized that saying nectarine slowly is very, very difficult. Nectarine, nectarine, nectarine. Not easy, I know. Nectarine. Nectarines. 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 A banana. A banana. A banana. A banana. Bananas. 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 A pomegranate. A pomegranate. A pomegranate. A pomegranate. No. A pomegranate. A pomegranate. Pomegranates. 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 All right, my students, that's it for this video. I hope you'll come back again next week because that's right, I'll have another one for you. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please keep practicing. Bye.